Hello students, this is Nimisha from the Olympian Tutorials. To join our classes, please contact at the given number. So let's start today's class. In today's class, we will study about the place value. Place value. In this topic, we will cover word form as well as expanded form, in both the system, Indian system, and international system Okay, so firstly I am taking indian system. So what is Indian system? In Indian system, suppose we have a number 2304758 9. This is a very lengthy number, very long number, and it is very difficult to read as it is. So what we do, we put commas. Firstly, we put comma before 3 digits, then after 2, then after 2. This is according to Indian system. What will happen in Indian system? Wait, I will tell you. In Indian system, what is the place value chart? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, I am making just column. These lines doesn't matter. So Indian system starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now next, ten thousands. After that, lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore, after that 10 crore. And this is enough for you to study in Indian system. So the digit from the extreme right, it is at ones place. Next digit, it is at tens place. Next one, it is at hundreds place. Another thousands place. This 4 is at 10,000s place. This 0 is at lakh place. This 3, it is at 10 lakh place. This 2, it is at crore place. So we will read the number like 2 crore, 30 lakh. We will read like 2 crore, 30 lakh, 47,589. So we will read the number. How we will read the number? 2 crore, 2 crore, after that 30. It means 30 lakh 400, sorry, 47. One more thing kids, I just want to add here. In the spelling of 40, it is FORTY, 47. Thousand 500, 580, 589. So kids, what we are doing today? We are studying about the place value, word form, expanded form in Indian system and in international system. But firstly, I picked Indian system. In Indian system, this number was given to us. This is very lengthy number. So how we can read this number? For this purpose, we put commas before 3 digits, before 2 digits, before 2 digits, and we will write each and every digit in place value chart. It is not mandatory to do in each and every question to make a place value chart. As I am telling you, after that these place value chart, when you will learn, so these all the things will come automatically in your mind. How? I will tell in next step. So here, firstly let me complete this topic. So here 9 is at ones place, tens is at tens place, 8 at hundreds place, it is 5 at thousand 7, at 10,000s 4, at lakh 0, at 10 lakh 3, at crore 2. So it will become 2 crore 30 lakh 47,589. And kids, this is known as word form. I told you about word form. And the most important thing which I want to tell here, the spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. What happens? Generally kids get confused that it is F-O-U-R-T-Y. Oh, I think it is F-O-R-T-Y. No, U is in 4. U, it is in 14. But the spelling of 40 is simple F-O-R-T-Y. Okay kids? Now, I am telling you firstly all the things in Indian system. After that I will pick international system. So if in question number 1 it is written 2, 3, 9, 5, 4 and 6 we can take. Okay, and you have to write word form in Indian system. So to write word form in Indian system, kids, what we will do, we will firstly put the commas before 3 digits, 2 digits. After that, we will just remember the place values like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So it will become 2 lakh 39, 2 lakh 39,500 546. 546. Okay, so kids, I just want to tell you about expanded form. Expanded form, it is also very simple concept. Expanded form, to write each digit, to write each digit according to their place value. And how? I will tell you. Suppose, as I am telling the number 2 lakh, it means 2, it is at 2, it is at lakhs place. 3, it is at 10,000s place. So what we are doing? We are just writing each digit with its place value, nothing else. 9, it is at thousands place. 5, it is at hundreds place. 4, it is at tens place. And 6, it is at ones place. This is the first method of writing expanded form. In second method, what you can do? 2, and after 2 how many digits are present? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 plus 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So basically kids, I am just counting the digits, but what we are doing, we are writing each digit with its place value. Or what you can write? You can write 2, it is at lakh place. 1 2 3 4 5. So this will become lakh 3. It is at 10,000 place. 9, it is at 1000 place. 5, it is at 100 place. 4, it is at tens place. And 6, it is at ones place. So this is all about Indian system. In Indian system, number was given 239546. What we have done, we just put commas before 3 digits from extreme right. Before 3 digits, then 2. Okay, so it will become, and 2 it is left. So 2,39,546. Spelling of 40 is FORTY. In expanded form, we can write, actually expanded form is to write each digit with its place value. So we can do this work with this three method. Either you can write 2 lakhs, 3 10,000s, 9,000s, 500s, 4 10 6 ones, or simple 2 lakh plus 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6, and another one 2, it is at lakh, 3 it is at 10,000, 9 it is at 1,000, 5 it is at 100, 4 it is at tens, and 6 it is at ones place. Now students, I will teach you about international system. In international system, what we do as kids, in Indian system we have started from extreme right. So in international system we will also start from extreme right. Only difference is that in Indian system the concept is 3 2 2 2 like that, but in international system it is 3 3 3 3 3. How? I will tell you. Suppose we have number, wait, let me tell you a number. Okay, suppose we are having a number 1527945 3. Oh, such a big number, and we have to explain this number according to international system. So first step, what we will do, we will put commas. So to put commas from extreme right, 3 digit. Okay, now we will make a place value chart. We will tell about place value. So what is place value according to international system? In Indian system we have done. According to international system, it is like, starts from ones, after that tens, after that hundreds. This is similar as Indian system. Also one more thing, this part means these 3 digits, after that thousands, and after that 10,000s, after that 100,000s. The difference starts from here. It will become 100,000s. After that it will be million, then 10 million, then 100 million. Okay, and after that the portion of billion, will be started. So we will fill the digits like 3 it is at ones place, 5 it is at tens place, 4 it is at hundreds place, 9 it is at thousands place, 7 it is at 10,000 place, 2 it is at 100,000, 5 1. So what will it become? It will become, firstly I will write word form and after that expanded form. So according to word form, its word form would be 15 million 279 thousand 453. So kids, did you get it? 100 sorry 15,279,453. Now we will work on its expanded form. Expanded form, same, to write each and every digit with its place value. So first 1 it is at 10 millions place, 5 it is at millions place, 2 it is at hundred thousands place, and 7 it is at 10,000s place. After that 9 it is at thousands place, 4 it is at hundreds place, 5 it is at tens place, 3 it is at ones place. Or 1 after 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 5 after 5 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 2 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5. After 7 4 digits. After 9 3 digits. After 4 2 digits. After 5 1, and after 3 no digit. And in the same way, third method I told you. Okay, 1 it is at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 10 millions place, 5 it is at millions place, 3 4 5 6 2 it is at 1 2 3 4 5. 2 it is at hundred thousands, 7 it is at 10,000s place, 9 it is at thousands place, 4 it is at hundreds place, 5 it is at tens place, and 3 it is at ones place. So kids, what we have learned today? We have learned about place value in Indian system and international system. Students, in Indian system, what we will do? We will just start to write commas starting from extreme right 3 digit, after that 2 2 2. But in international system, it starts from right 3 digit, after that again 3 3 3 digits. Okay. In Indian system, in Indian system, I told you how we will write expanded form as well as word form. And in international system, kids, if you want to learn any particular topic, you can ping me. Okay kids, bye friends, keep practicing of mathematics. Bye bye.